very good afternoon from here in the centre of Gibraltar. This evening we're going to take a stroll around Gibraltar. A very good morning from here in Gibraltar. A very good morning guys from here in Casemates Square. So, very good afternoon guys from me here in the centre of Gibraltar, and today we're going to be taking a look around Gibraltar as this weekend is the King's birthday weekend. Now you might be wondering, why am I in a suit? Well, I haven't been into court, I haven't had a court appearance, don't worry guys, but instead I've had a job interview. So we can have a bigger budget to go on more filming trips. But yeah, it's a beautiful June summer's afternoon, it's the 14th of June today. Let's take a walk around town and let's see how Gibraltar's doing. Come on guys. So let's head down the stairs and head into Casemates first. Now I don't know if you guys have seen the video from last night from the King's birthday parade. I just want to show you guys how quickly they can turn this square around and have all the tables and chairs set back up, and it's business as usual today. There is a lot of day trippers into Gibraltar this afternoon, as well as a cruise. I have seen them because they wear these funny colour-coded stickers, so they stick out, pardon the pun. But as we have a look around Casemates Square, I've got to tell you, it is a bit of a scorcher in the square. The square is a bit of a sun trap, so if you find a nice place to sit and relax and you get a nice empty table, it could be a good place to have a little sunbathe for an hour or two. But I've got to remind you guys, at this time of year, the UV rays are extremely high, so that's just something to watch out for if you sit in the bars or restaurants and you find yourself in a sun trap. You're there for a couple of hours, trust me. Gibraltar is littered with burnt bodies. So yeah, but we can see the restaurants are starting to fill up. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon now, and what a fantastic day it is here in Gibraltar. So we can see Casemates Square is getting quite busy. The temperature right now is 26 degrees. It's just gone 12:30 in the afternoon. And wearing a suit in this heat, well, it is bloody roasting. But yeah, we can see the restaurants are filling up now. Most of the people you can see behind us are day trippers coming in for the day as well. There is a cruise ship in. So yeah, that significantly helps Gibraltar's tourism. But what we're going to do now is we're going to head up into the town area and take a look around. Come on guys. I just wanted to show you guys Main Street from the north end today, and look how busy it is. So I think we're going to take Irish Town on this walk because I think that's the street that's more in the shade. I am absolutely roasting, 26 degrees here in Gibraltar, but come on, let's take a look around Irish Town. So here we go, and I just want to walk past the various cafes, bars and restaurants. As you can see here, people are on their lunch break. It's 12:30. A lot of people working in the city centre, and people have got to remember that almost 10,000 people cross to work in Gibraltar every single day. So this is where everyone heads to. This is Irish Town. This is a beautiful shaded street in Gibraltar here. So if you are someone who wants to avoid the sun, I'd recommend this street. There's a few good restaurants, a few good bars and a good few cafes if you just want to sit down and escape the heat. So there we are guys, we made our way through Irish Town. We can see the place is busy. We're here in the piazza now. You can see the bars behind us all filling up. If I swivel myself around, just got to be careful of the glare from the sun. Now let's head on to Main Street, see how Main Street is faring today, see how busy it is, typically in June. So come on guys, I'm enjoying this beautiful summer afternoon walk. So let's check out the Parliament Cafe. Now this place is always busy and I like to go there. You get a nice spinach pie from there. We've got the tourist shop here, and something that shocked me was €16 for a monkey pencil case. Remember, if you're coming to Gibraltar, bring pounds. Don't get robbed by using the euro. So it's actually a moderate 24 degrees here in the shade. It's 26 degrees in the sun. So we're going to keep in the shade and we're going to head through these little passages into the old town, and we're just going to see if we can stumble across something we have never seen before on the channel. So come on guys, let's keep it moving. So here we are. I think we've discovered a nice quiet corner of Main Street here. This is Horse Barrack Court. Horse Barrack Court. There we are guys. And there's a little monsoon hidden in there, I'm sure, for tax purposes. But let's take a look around and look at these very typical Gibraltarian buildings. I don't know, that looks like some legal offices. Maybe we can make our way through here. There's a entrance to a construction site and someone's apartment buildings. But yeah, lovely little courtyard. I like what they've done with the plants here, and we've got this lovely little building. So yeah, nice location. Well, we were looking for something new on the channel that we haven't visited before, and this place is one of them. Barrack's Court. Never been here before, never really knew it existed, but there we are. Come check it out, just off of Main Street. But let's continue our walk, guys. So just by Barrack Court, there's a little lane here, and there's a couple of Middle Eastern restaurants. So if you're looking for some Middle Eastern food, this is the little lane. You are going to find it here in Gibraltar. We've just met up with City Mill Lane. I don't know if you've seen in my previous videos, but this is my favourite street in Gibraltar. This is absolutely beautiful to walk down. Loads of little shops here as we go through, and this just shows this is the old Gibraltar town. You know, you can imagine 100, 200 years ago, I'm sure things haven't changed so much, probably better paint jobs. But yeah, you've got a lovely little kebabish on the corner there as we make our way up. And I just want to show you this beautiful apartment building, and they've put the flags identically on each balcony. So there was a Gibraltar flag on the bottom, a Union Jack in the middle, and a Gibraltar flag on the top. It just made for beautiful coordination. So yeah, as we can see, that thermometer is saying 33. I wouldn't say it was that hot, but definitely 26, 27 in the sun. So something to remember if you're coming down here this weekend. The weather is looking absolutely fantastic. So there we are, guys. That was our little miniature walk around town today. We're going to be bringing you another video this afternoon. Instead, we're going to be walking around all the hot spots and the night spots, taking in the nightlife of Gibraltar this evening, as today is the first day of the Euro 2024 Championship. So hopefully we'll see a few Scottish fans, or maybe even some German fans, sitting around and enjoying Gibraltar's hospitality. Now, this is a serious plea, a serious cry for you guys to get involved here. Now, living in Gibraltar, Gibraltar being such a small place, it's very easy to run out of content. So over this weekend, if you guys can comment on this video and tell me where to go, tell me what to do, tell me what you guys want me to film, and I will go and do it. As I say, we're in the idea stage at the moment of what we're going to do this weekend. So guys, if you've got any ideas, if there's anything you guys want to see that isn't going to cost me too much money, let me know in the comments and we're going to go and do it, guys. So yeah, I really need your help on that one. Tell me what you want to see on this channel, because at the end of the day, it's your channel, it's not my channel. I just put the videos up. This channel only survives because you guys watch it. But from me here in one of my favourite places, you know where we are. If you don't, we are in Governor's Parade. Thank you for watching as always, guys, and as always, I'll see you on the next adventure.